Hello, my darlings. I am back for another mukbang for y'all. We got some crazy people in the back. That's actually my daughter.
Hi. Hello.
And there's my son. And we are getting ready
to mukbang.
Mukbang.
Boom.
We finna chow down on some of this Chinese food. What I got here is some special fried rice. It got shrimp, beef, and chicken in it. I got a egg roll, and I have here a shrimp St. Paul. Most of y'all don't know about a shrimp St. Paul. St. Paul is a St. Louis thing. They only do them in St. Louis, but it's been so long since I had some Chinese food. I am ready to get it in. There's a lot of noise in the background. These kids is walking around trying to eat. But they don't want to be in the video, but they want to eat the Chinese food. But they ain't never trying to be in no video. Where'd my fork go? Oh, I need a little, I just use a little bit of red pepper because this stuff be hot. Put it in the rice, Niecy, not in your nose. Put it in your rice, not in your nose. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, y'all. Sorry about that. Ooh, all that pepper got me. The pepper got me. Oh, I done messed myself up. Okay. Oh. Sorry about that, y'all. Oh, I need a nap. I'll be back. I'm coming back. I inhaled the red pepper.
What was that? Oh, you used the pepper?
Yeah. Okay. Now, I don't know where y'all from, but this how fried rice is supposed to look. We got bean sprouts. We got big old chunks of meat. Look at that beef. I should have took it out the box for y'all so y'all could see it. But it ain't gonna be the same if you don't eat it out the box, y'all. You gotta eat it out the box. There we go. Look at them big old shrimp in there. Can y'all see? Want some? Look at that big old shrimp. Oh, that's the bomb. You gotta have Chinese food with soda. Pineapple. Crush. That might be a St. Louis thing too. You gotta have your Chinese food with your pineapple soda. Let me get a bite of this egg roll. I know we love us some sweet and sour sauce. I should have got some of that sweet chili sauce that's in there and used it on this egg roll. It might be good, but we're gonna go with this. That is so good. One more bite, y'all. I can't do that much talking because I'm hungry. I ain't ate all day. It's like 5 o'clock. Is it dark? Maybe I need some more light. Let me turn the light on, y'all. Let me turn the light on, y'all. Woo! And the Lord said, let there be light. There it is. Boom. Okay, let me get into this St. Paul. St. Paul, this is a St. Louis, it's a treat. It's not everywhere. It's like, I'm losing my lettuce. It's like an egg fouillon patty, and they put pickles and lettuce on there and mayonnaise. The bread get all nice and greasy. What kind I got? Shrimp. Love it when it tastes like that. So, did y'all miss me? I haven't done a video in a couple of days. So I wanted to come back with something good for y'all. Chinese food is good. You know what? I forgot to ask y'all to please subscribe to my channel. Hit the likes button. That's thumbs up. Give me a like. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've had a St. Paul before. Let me know what's in the Chinese food y'all eat, the fried rice. You got some bean sprouts, some onion, some green onion. You got the chicken. Look at that chicken. You need some more spice. You know what? I'm not fooling with that pepper no more. I'll be back again. I'm doing too much. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's try this. This is gonna be sweet and sour and hot. I hope it tastes good. We gonna see. Cause I can't fool with that pepper no more. Had your girl chewing. I never even used that sweet chili sauce. The kids used it. I be at work all the time. I don't have time to be using extra stuff, so it must be good. Let's see. There it is. Okay, y'all. Today, I was looking at cars today. I need to get me a new car. That is so good. My car is, I got a 2007 and it's 2019. It's time to let it go. I enjoy not paying a car note, but the time has come to do it again. I'm gonna be a little selective this time. I thought I wanted an Equinox. I test drove an Equinox and I'm kind of tall, so it really didn't fit me that well. But I like the small sized SUV. So I'm thinking about the Rogue. I drove the Rogue and man, it drove so well. I got the push to start. I never had a push to start before. I didn't even know how to turn it on. The man was like, just push it. You press on the brake. I'm old school. I want a key. Y'all remember when cars came with 2 keys? The key to the ignition and the key for the doors in the trunk. It took me forever to get used to having 1 key. Now I gotta get used to having no keys. But I ain't got it yet. We're gonna wait and see. I'm thinking about it. Look at that shrimp in there. That is really good. It's been a long time since I had some Chinese food. So this Frank's Red Hot Sweet Chili Sauce is good on your Chinese food. That way you don't need to mix up sweet and sour sauce and the red peppers and sneeze yourself to death like I did. I hope y'all blessed me. I hope y'all did. I know y'all did. So y'all ready for the Super Bowl? I don't even know what channel to come on. I'm not a real sports fan. But you always watch the Super Bowl simply because it's normally somebody's always giving a party. I want that shrimp. But I don't have no party to go to. And I don't know what channel will come on. My building's they gonna have it on in the club room. I'm sure they'll be down there watching it. Maybe I go down. And this rice is brown, it's not yellow. It's not light skin. Perfect. Who are y'all rooting for? I just found out it's the Rams and the Patriots, which I don't know nothing about. Neither one. Well, the Rams, they used to be the St. Louis Rams, but they left us. So I don't know. I don't think if the people in St. Louis are still going for the Rams or what. My son is. He still wants the Rams to win. I just don't know. I don't know. We don't see. I might go down there. I do always watch the halftime show, and I do want to see the commercials. I like the commercials. They be so funny. And then when you don't watch them, you go to work on Monday, everybody be talking about the commercials, and you don't know nothing about it. So you just got to watch it just so you can, what they call it, water cooler talk. You gotta watch it just so you know what to talk about. Tonight I think I'm gonna take my hair down and wash it and do it again. You see, I got this hat on again. This right here is great. I know it's some more shrimp up in here. Don't do me like that, Holmes Walk. Yeah, that's good up in there. That's the best thing I could have did. I ain't got to buy no, pay a nickel. They want you to buy a nickel for a pack of sauce. And they should give you more than 4 packs if I buy 2 boxes of rice. It's the little box I bought. It's a half order. And I got the kids a whole order so they can split it. They're gonna give me 4 packs of sauce. I got chicken wings, I got egg rolls, St. Paul's, I got all kinds of stuff. They should have just gave me stuff. I had to spend an extra 50 cents on sweet and sour sauce. My daughter claimed the chicken wings. So that's why y'all don't see none. She claimed them. It was only 3 of them, so I let her have at it. So I got that sandwich. I can't see. Let me move this. Nope, I still don't know. Oh, it's a 17-minute video? I need some more of that pineapple soda. I finished this sandwich. This sandwich is the bomb. I could have just got this. Well, our sinuses are all clear from inhaling that red pepper, that cayenne pepper. What does it say on here? I ain't never tried to read it. Let me read one. I never read it. Better spice, red pepper. This say chili powder, MSG chili powder. That's how they keep us coming back. They say it's not good for you, but it ain't like we shoveling it in. We just sprinkle it. Oh, I'm getting full. But I ain't got to use that no more since I found Boom. And I only bought it. You know why I bought that stuff? I am so crazy. I only bought that stuff. I was at Walmart looking for cereal, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And I said, oh, there's that sweet chili sauce that Dame Dash used. And I threw it in the cart. I didn't know what I was going to put it on. I ain't got nothing to put that on. The kids got them some chicken nuggets. And dipped them in there and they was good. And I think the chicken nuggets, I bought the chicken nuggets at Costco last week. I had to take them back today and they didn't already ate some, but I got my 1308 back. I didn't buy no more. So, I don't know what's gonna happen now. What they gonna eat? Maybe I'll go back out. We gotta eat something during the Super Bowl. I stop at churches after church. Churches after church. Churches after church. Ooh, churches after church. That might be the plan. I can just come home and boil some corn on the cob or something. And that's a meal. Make some biscuits. Pillsbury. Get us a good old 10-piece for about $6. I heard it look good hanging out the hat. Once I take it off, it's just not fresh. It's time. I'm trying to do my hair more often now. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. I just don't know. That's some good shit. I mean, that's a good sandwich. So if you ever come to St. Louis and you want a St. Paul sandwich, tell somebody that you want to go to the Chinese restaurant that sells St. Paul's. Well, actually, I'm just gonna say in St. Louis, they just call it the Chinaman. You're gonna have to go to the Chinaman. I'm gonna get you a St. Paul, and it's the bomb. Some of them put cheese on. I don't like cheese on mine. Cheese is just empty calories. I mean, it's delicious. But you can get one slice of that American processed cheese, and it's the same amount of fat as eating 3 cans of tuna. And me, I'd rather have 3 cans of tuna than one slice of cheese. So that's when I stopped eating cheese all the time. And it worked. I lost a little weight, but still a big girl, but I lost like 80 pounds. Boom, 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 boom. All right, y'all. I'm done eating. I think I'm finna work on this hair, so I'm gonna be ready for church tomorrow. Thank God. Thank God. Find me something to wear, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the churches after church. Churches after church. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Darling Niecy would love to have you here. All right, guys. Bye.